Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an overview and first impressions of this Trinova Foam Cannon. I ordered this off Amazon. If I'm not mistaken, it was $38.99 for the foam cannon. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go check it out. But overall, just looking at the packaging, it's fairly simple yet classy at the same time. Black and gold. I'm a Saints fan, so that's pretty cool. So maybe I'm a little biased on the packaging. Looking at the specifications, connection size, 1/4 inch quick connect, bottle size 2 liters. As you guys can see, that's not quite a 2-liter bottle, but we'll go with it for what the package says. But beware, it does not come with a 2-liter bottle. It's kind of a good thing. I don't imagine anyone would want a 2-liter bottle on a foam cannon unless they're washing 18-wheelers and RVs. All right, material, brass, stainless steel, HDP bottle, minimum PSI 800 PSI, maximum PSI 3500 PSI, minimum GPM 1.4 gallons per minute, which I believe that's what my pressure washer is. Maximum GPM 5.3 gallons per minute. Max temperature 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So you guys have those heated pressure washers. If you use this product, try to stay within those parameters. All right, looking at the body, it's well constructed, brass, heavy weighted. The 1/4 inch quick connect adapter, I pulled this off because it looks like the unit came with a 1.25 orifice. I put a 1.1 orifice on. But when I pulled the quick connect off, it did not have thread tape on the threads, but it does have a rubber O-ring that sandwiches up between the connector and the back of the brass piece right here. So they did put a countermeasure in to help prevent any leaking coming out of the back. As far as the pickup tube was pre-installed. I did not have to put it on myself. And inside of here, the threading on here, they put a plastic piece in here for the threads where it mates up with the bottle, which is kind of smart. So because you have plastic on plastic with the bottle when it mates up on there and cinches down, so you don't have any metal on plastic, and it should help reduce, not necessarily reduce cross threading, but reduce any risk to the plastic threads when it does cross thread. So hopefully it won't damage it if you do cross thread it, and you can keep using it. So I thought that was a pretty cool touch. All right, looking at the front of the sprayer where the fan pattern, the adjustment is real tight. So it takes a little force to turn it, which that is a good thing. So when you do set your fan pattern, you can have it set and you shouldn't have to worry about knocking it off in the middle of spraying down a car. And the foam adder or foam reducer, it's a little loose in the middle, but overall it's tight. When the regulator is going down, when you get to the point of it being fully open or the point of it being fully closed, it gets tight, but in the middle, it's a little wiggle room. Not tight, but not super loose either. All right, so that's going to be it for the body. Now we'll take a look at the bottle itself. The bottle, sturdier than the MTM bottle on the MTM that I did the first impressions and overview on a few days ago. Thicker, not super thick, but thick. Definitely, you don't feel like you're going to damage it if you drop it. Or if you do drop it, hopefully it won't crack. It does feel more sturdy than the MTM. All right, and other than that, guys, just the directions that came with it. The directions are pretty basic. It's fill the bottle with your preferred washing solution, diluted at whatever ratio the manufacturer recommends. Attach the bottle to the sprayer. Connect the foam cannon to your trigger mechanism. Adjust the air intake knob for more or less suds. Adjust spray nozzle for more or less concentrated stream. So that's pretty much it. I mean, these 3 things are what come in the box. The body, the bottle, and these instructions. Very basic, nothing more, nothing less. So that being said, it does feel well constructed. I can't wait to use it. We'll put it up against the MTM. You can check out the MTM review or the first impressions. I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner. You guys can check it out. But this is it. We'll go ahead and hook it up so you guys can see. Next to the MTM. So the MTM advertises a 1 liter bottle. This advertises 2 liter. I think we can definitely all agree this is not a 2 liter bottle, but it does have more capacity than the MTM. So go ahead and pull the MTM out of the way. All right, so as you can see, when the body attaches to the bottle, it goes on pretty straight. There's no gaps right here. So it's going down straight as it should, no unevenness. So that's a good thing. So hopefully you won't have any leaks out of this end. So I can't wait to battle these out. My goal is to use each one of them, 3 soaps in each one, to see how the soaps fare, to see if one soap performs better out of one of the foam cannons than it does the other. But I have high hopes for these. I had recommendations for these on a previous video that I did and put out. So hopefully these hold up to the hype of the viewers that left me comments on foam cannons to try out. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. If you will, like the video, subscribe, and also share it with your friends. Share it with your detailer friends, or share it with your car enthusiast friends. Maybe they're in the market for a foam cannon and they can go check these out and see how they like them. But that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Have a good, safe day. Subscribe, ring that bell, and catch me for the next one.